Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Import your video into the tool and confirm language and audio quality so transcription will be accurate. Once done, select Automatic Transcription or upload an existing transcript. This saves minutes versus manual typing. Make sure to enable speaker detection if needed and set the timecode format to match your target platform. You're already in motion, don't overconfigure. Pick a preset for accuracy or speed, then trigger the auto-transcribe and watch progress. Now focus on cleaning and syncing. Read through the transcript and correct misheard words, numbers, or technical jargon because accuracy matters for comprehension. Once corrected, align text to waveform peaks and trim or extend timings so each line stays readable, typically between 1 and 7 seconds. Use keyboard shortcuts for split, join, and nudge operations to speed things up. Also apply consistent captions, styling, and line length constraints. This prevents overflow on small screens. By batching similar edits, you save a lot of time. You finish by exporting the subtitles in the required format, SRT for general use, VTT for web, or hard-coded MP4 when burning in is necessary. Then import that file to your platform. Once exported, test playback on the actual device to confirm timing, font size, and line breaks look right. If captions are off, apply a global timestamp offset or rerun the auto-transcription with better audio. If problems persist, check sample rates and reprocess audio to eliminate glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.